Good morning, students. This is Sumanchaswal, your English teacher. So, how are all of you? Good? I'm fine too, thank you. So, today I'm going to do a class on tenses. I have got many requests and from my viewers that ma'am, exams are coming and our tenses are not clear. So, could you give us some what you call a video or a lesson on tenses? So today my topic I have already done. You can see my videos. I've done each tense, present, past and future separately. But today I'm giving a condensed one for students so that they can easily understand and be able to use them correctly and get good marks in their exams. Okay. So today let's do tenses. I'll give you a very easy way to understand the tenses. Okay? Let me bring this little closer. Okay. Now, simple present. I'll give you short form, simple present. What is the rule? You must know your rules. Simple present is V1, means verb in the first form. Okay? Every verb has three forms. Eat, ate, eaten. So the first form of the verb is simple present. Okay? Or we can use is, are, or am. In a sentence, if it is used, it is the simple present. Then comes present continuous. Present continuous is, are, am plus V1 ing. Okay? Is, are, am plus V1 ing. Then present perfect is has, have plus V3, verb in the third form. V3 means verb in the third form. Has, have plus V3. Then present perfect continuous is has, have plus been plus V1 ing. And present perfect and present continuous, we always use for or since. That indicates that we have to use perfect or perfect continuous. Okay? So, simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay? Now, come to past. Simple past, we use verb in the second form, or we use was, or we use were. Okay, was, were and V2. Past continuous, we use was, were plus V1 ing. Past perfect, we use had plus V3. Present perfect we use has, had. But in past we use had plus V3. Then past perfect continuous, we use had plus been plus V1 ing. And both of them we always use for or since. Okay? Simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now let's come to future. Okay? Simple future, will, shall plus verb in the first form. Future continuous, will, shall plus be plus V1 ing. Future perfect, will, shall plus have plus V3. And future perfect continuous, will, shall plus have plus been plus V1 ing. Okay, so these are the rules for the tenses. I'll show you as in a closer form. You can see it. Okay, these are the tenses, the formulas. Remember the rules of the different kinds of tenses: present, past and future. Okay. Now, once you know the rules, once all these rules are clear to you, you have to learn according to the rules. Tenses are always done according to the rules. Now, what can you do? You can do is how to do. Now, each sentence, any sentence, you can change it into different types of tenses. For example, I say, I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. Now this sentence, I have used the verb in the first form, live. So it means it is simple present. Now I change it into present continuous. I am living in Delhi. Present continuous. Because am plus verb in the ing form. I am living in Delhi. Now change it into perfect. I have lived in Delhi. Present perfect. Now change it into present perfect continuous. I have been living in Delhi. Present perfect continuous. And we can add for 5 years. I've been living in Delhi for 5 years. I've been living in Delhi since 1990. Okay. Now I have done the 4 tenses. Now change the same sentence into simple past. This was all present. Now let's do in past. I lived in Delhi. Now here live has become lived. So it is verb in the second form. So it is simple past. I was living in Delhi. It has become past continuous. I had lived in Delhi. Students, what will this be? I had lived in Delhi. Had lived. It is past perfect. Then I had been living in Delhi. Had plus been plus verb in the ing form. So this becomes past perfect continuous. So you saw the same sentence, I can write it in any of the tense. Now, so all this was in past. Now we'll change the same sentence into future. I will or shall live in Delhi. This is simple future. I will be living in Delhi. Future continuous, sorry. I have been living, I will have been living in Delhi. Future perfect continuous. And the last is I will have lived. Past, future perfect, not continuous. I will have lived in Delhi. And last will be I will have been living in Delhi. This is future perfect continuous. And the same way we use for and since. So this is in the future. So you saw one thing, students, that the same sentence I can use it in present, past as well as in future. Okay. So it's only that I should know the rules. So make this table. Any sentence you pick up and try to change it into perfect, into continuous, into past, into future, and see, and the rules will automatically be learnt by you. So I gave you the sentence I live in Delhi, which was a simple present. I changed it into present continuous, present perfect continuous. Then I change the same sentence into simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And then I change it into future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, perfect and future perfect continuous. So understood students, this is how the tenses are learnt. So try taking up a sentence and change it into the different tenses and all your rules will be learnt. And then there will be no confusion. Okay students? So try it out. Let me give you one sentence which you can try. The boy flies a kite. The boy flies a kite. Now this sentence is in simple present because I have used the first form of the verb fly, flies. With the boy we say I fly, but the boy flies. So it is in simple present. Now change it into continuous. The boy is flying a kite. Perfect, the boy has flown a kite. And perfect continuous, the boy has been flying a kite. So the same sentence I can write it in all the 4 types of present tense. Now change it into the past. The boy flew a kite. Simple past. The boy was flying a kite. Past continuous. The boy had flown a kite. Past perfect. The boy had been flying a kite. Past perfect continuous. Now change it into future. The boy will fly a kite. Simple future. The boy will be flying a kite. Future continuous. The boy has flown a kite. Will have flown a kite. Future perfect. And the boy will have been flying a kite. Future perfect continuous. So you saw students, any sentence we can change it into any kind of tense. Okay. But only one important thing is that you should be knowing the rules. If you know the rules, you will be able to change into any kind of tense. Okay. So try doing this exercise. Do as many sentences as you can. Change it into different types of tenses and you will learn the rules. Thank you students. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and do write in your comments that if it has become easy for you to know about tenses. And in my next class I'll give you some exercises too. Okay. Thank you students.